So good morning everyone. In last class we have completed our exercise 2. Today we are starting a new topic that is called as percentage. Okay, so what do you mean by percent? Percent is nothing but for every 100. Okay, percent is nothing but for every 100. So how to use a symbol for percent? We will use a percent like this. Okay, this is a symbol for percent. Already you know how to take out your percentage marks for your essay exams or any exams. Okay, so how you will use a percentage symbol? In this order. Okay, suppose I am taking one total chocolate bar. Suppose you think this as a chocolate bar. In this total 100 boxes are there. Total how many boxes are there? 100 boxes are there. In this I am taking this 25 bars and giving to one of your friend. Okay, so how much I have taken the bar? 25 chocolate bars I have taken and I have given to one of your friend. So how much percentage I have given? That is 25% of chocolate bar I have given to your friend. That means in this how many are there? In this 25 bars are there. So this 25 part has been given to your friend. So that can be written in the form of 25%. Okay, 25 parts is nothing but 25% here. So how to write this 25%? 25% can be written in the form of 25 by 100. That means in total 100 bars I have taken only 25 parts. Okay, in the same way 2% how you will write? We can write in the form of 2 by 100. From total this 100 bars I am taking only 2 parts. That is nothing but 2%. In the same way 15% how you will write? We can write in the form of 15 by 100. That means in total part we are taking only 15 bars. Okay, this 100 is a total value and this numerator value is what we are taking. Okay, so this is how you will represent the percentages. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Next is we are starting this exercise 4 now. So what is the first question we will see? So what is the first question? In school X, 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed. How many students has passed? 36 students has been passed. And total number of students are how many? 48. In total 48, only 38 has been passed. Okay, so in place of 100 we have to write 48 now. Okay, in another school Y, 30 students appeared and 24 students passed. In school Y, total students are 30, in that 24 has been passed. So if the district educational officer wants to give an award on the basis of pass percentage, to which school will he give the award? So for which school he will get they will get the award, we have to find. So here first solution, that is exercise 4. So first we are talking about school X. Okay, in school X, total number of students are how many? Total number of students are 48. But how many are passed? Only 36 students has been passed. Passed students are 36. So what is the percentage of this school X? We will find first. So how to find the pass percentage here? Already I told you that 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. This is a total part. This what we have taken. Okay, in this what is the total? That is 48. In that how many has passed? 36. And percent is nothing but 100. So into 100 we have to do here. Okay. So in which table we can cancel? We can cancel in two table. 2 24s are 2 50s are. Again we can cancel in 2 table. 2 12s are, 2 25s are. Okay, now again in 12 table, 12 ones are, 12 threes are. So how much it will be? So that is how much? 25 threes are is 75%. This cancellation you can do directly with the 12 table also. That is 36 by 48 into 100. 12 fours are 48, 12 threes are 36, 4 ones are 4, 25s are 100. So 25 threes are is again 75. So you can do in any method. So directly I am doing here. Again I am doing this cancellation. Say this. 36 by 48 into 100. 12 fours are, 12 threes are, 4 ones are, 4 25s are. 25 threes are is 75. So we got the school X percentage as 75%. Now about school Y. School Y. So total students are how many in this? Total students are 30. And how many are passed? That is 24. Okay, now we have to find the pass percentage. So how much it is? 24 by 30 into 100. Okay, so 0 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 eights are. So what is the pass percentage here? 80%. So therefore here we can say 80% is greater than 75%. So for which school they will get the award? That is for school Y. So therefore DEO should give award to school Y. So this is our first solution. Next is second one. So what is the second question? Last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000. This year it goes down to 4000. What is the percentage of decrease in price? Last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000, but this year the cost of 1000 articles is 4000. How much it has been decreased? 1000 rupees it has been decreased. So what we have to find? We have to find the decrease percentage there. So here second solution, cost of 1000 articles, this is about last year, is 5000 rupees. Now cost of 1000 articles present year, this year, is how much? 4000 rupees. So by how much it has been decreased? Decreased price. Price is equals to 5000 minus 4000, that is equals to how much? 1000 rupees. So it has been decreased by 1000 rupees. Now we have to find the decreased percentage. Decreased percentage is equals to, how to find decreased price by original price into 100. So decreased price is how much? 1000 rupees by original price is how much? 5000 rupees into 100. Okay, now 0 0 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So what is the decreased percentage there? 20%. Therefore decreased percentage is equals to 20%. So this is our second solution. Next is third one. solution. What is that? Sri Jyoti has a basket full of bananas, oranges and mangoes. So full is nothing but 100%. And if 50% are bananas, 15% are oranges, and what percentage are mangoes? So what is the percentage of mangoes we have to find? So total full of fruits. Total percentage of fruits is equals to how much? 100%. In this 100% you are having bananas, oranges and mangoes. In this, bananas are how many? Bananas are 50%. Next, oranges are 15%. And mangoes are how many? We don't know, so we are taking it as X. So if you add all this, then only the basket will be filled. That means it will become 100%. So add all the values. 50% plus 15% plus X% will be equals to 100%. Now add this. 50 plus 15 is 65%. Plus X% will be equals to 100%. This plus 65 I am transposing to other side, that will be converted into minus. So X% is equals to 100% minus 65%. So X% will be equals to how much? 35%. That means what is the percentage of mangoes there? Mangoes is equals to, that is 35%. So this is our third solution. Now in this order only we are having the fourth one. So what is fourth one? 64% plus 20% plus blank is equals to 100%. We have to fill that blank. So what is that? 64% plus 20% plus blank is equals to 100%. So this blank value we don't know, so I am taking it as X%. Now 64 plus 20 is how much? 84% plus X% is equals to 100%. Again I am transposing this 84 to other side. So X% is equals to 100 minus 84. So X% is how much here? That will be equals to 16%. So X value you got it as 16. Okay. Next is fifth solution. What is fifth one? On a rainy day, out of 150 students in a school, 25 were absent. Total number of students are 150. In that, how many are absent? 25 were absent. Find the percentage of students absent from the school. So we have to find the absent percentage. What percentage of students are present? We have to find also present percentage. So total number of students are how many? Total number of students are 150. In that, how many were absent? 25 were absent. Absent students, or you will write here number of absent students are how many? 25. So from total, if you take out 25 absent students, the remaining will be present only. So number of present students is equals to how much? 150 minus 25. That will be how much here? 125. So how many students are present? 125 students were present. Now what we have to find? We have to find the absent percentage and also present percentage. How to find the absent percentage? Absent are how many? 25. Total number of students are 150. We are finding the percentage, so that means into 100. In the same way, present percentage. How many are present? 125. Out of total 150 students, we are finding the percentage, so into 100. So now cancel it. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Okay. Now I am cancelling in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So it is how much here? 5 by 3 into 100. So 5 by 3 into 10. So that will be how much here? 10 5s are 50 by 3. 50 by 3 you divide. 3 how many times it will go? 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. Again 0.0. 3 6s are 18. And this will be remaining. So what is answer here? 16.6. So what is the absent percentage? 16.6. Now we have to find the present percentage. So 0 0 get cancelled. In 5 table I am cancelling. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. That is 5 25s are 125. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now 25 10s is how much? 250 by 3. Now you divide this. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. Again 1.0. Again 3. So you will get it as 83.3. Okay. So what is the present percentage? Present percentage is 83.3 and absent percentage is how much? 16.6%. Okay. So this is our fifth solution. Next is seventh one. So once again see this. Total number of students are 150. In that how many are absent? 25 were absent. So by using these two we can find the present students. How to find the present students? From total if you take out the absent one, that will be remaining will be present only. So now absent percentage we have to find. Present percentage also we have to find. So absent percentage. How many are absent? 25 out of 150 students into 100. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. In 5 table I have cancelled here. 5 into 10 is 50 by 3. So if you divide this you will get 16.6. In the same way present percentage. How many are present? 125 out of 150 students into 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 3s are 15. 5 25s are 125. So 25 10s is 250 by 3. So if you divide this you will get it as 83.3%. So this is our fifth solution. So sixth one. So what is sixth one? Out of 12,000 votes in a constituency, 60 were voted. Find the number of people voted in the constituency. So total number of people in constituency voters are 12,000. In that only 60% were voted. So how many? What is that 60% value we have to find now? So what is that percentage of people voted? How many were voted? That is 60%. And total number of voters are how many? $12,000. So in that how many were voted we have to find. So what is 60% of 12,000 we have to find. So 60% of 12,000. 60% you can write in the form of 60 by 100. Of is nothing but multiplication into 12,000. 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. So how much it will be? 7200. So how many are voted? They are 7200 voters were voted. 60% is nothing but 7200 persons. Okay, so this is our sixth solution. So remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.